Today I'm going to show y'all how I attempted to make this applique toddler shirt. I started off by using my rotary blade, which I've never used before. I do have a stabilizer on this cotton fabric, literally cotton, but the cotton design. Yeah, anyways, there's stabilizer on the back to attach it to the mat. Surprisingly, this worked out okay. Originally they weren't sticking that great, and then I added a little more glue and they were fine. Well, there's a lot of things I would do differently, but overall I don't hate it, and my nephew got a cute shirt out of it.